Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has dipped into the support region, which is located between 2,258 and 2,489 USD. We all know about this area. We knew about this area. It was communicated already last week for a possible B-wave pullback. At the moment, the move down from the Friday high is in 3 waves. And also the entire move down, if I call this the top on Monday, the 23rd of September, the move down can be interpreted as a 3-wave move down in a so-called flat correction where the C wave might be turning into an impulse. So for me, a 5-wave move down isn't necessarily a confirmation that is bearish, because I can call this an AB with an overshooting B wave and then a C wave down. For me, it's important on the Ethereum chart that we're holding the support area, so that we're holding above 2,258 to keep the white scenario alive, to keep the bullish scenario alive, where we might be seeing currently a B wave pullback. However, a break below 2,258, that would be a bit too deep for an overall still bullish scenario, and therefore I would get very cautious if there's a break below that 78.6 retracement. At the moment, we can keep it simple. In the yellow scenario, I'm tracking a bearish case, which is a triangle pattern that can morph easily. Triangles do. A, B, C, D, E, and then down. That's a valid scenario. It's a reasonable scenario that I'm tracking there. In this case, also ideally, the price would find some support here in this area. However, the D wave can technically go a little bit lower easily, and it's less important to hold the 78.6 FIB level. However, it would need to hold the 6th of September low. That's at 2,150, and I mean any break below it would confirm that we're heading down more directly, and that the move to the upside is not a C wave, and also that we're likely not in a triangle, right? So it's important to keep it very simple. It's important for an upside reversal confirmation for the bulls to hold 2,258 and avoid a sustained break below that level. It is also important for the bulls to generate from this current price region to generate a 5-wave move to the upside. So we've now arrived in a key area where we can watch for an upside reversal. And if we zoom in a little bit, at the moment, I don't see one. Okay, we've had a small reaction to the 50% retracement. I also have to say, even in the white count, the move to the downside looks somewhat incomplete. And you can see that we have possibly completed wave 3. This here might now be a wave 4. Resistance is between 2,507 and 2,535. And then from there, a 5th wave to the downside could follow to maybe test 2,351 and 2,258. So then we get a 5-wave move down. I mean, do we need that last leg down? No, nothing is needed, right? But without a reversal confirmation, there is no, as I said, confirmation that really a low has formed. What would constitute as reversal confirmation? I need to see a 5-wave move up. And I need to see a 5-wave move up that at least breaks above initial resistance. So that breaks above 2,535. However, we will have the upper resistance area as well, which is for the yellow wave count, because as long as it's forming a larger 3-wave move, it could still be a B wave. But once I see any 5-wave move up, if it's here, something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any pullback should be corrective and could be a reasonable entry opportunity, even if it gets into a larger 3-wave move, but then it's all about risk management. But the chances are then that is forming an even larger 5-wave move and we will break out. So it's all about watching for a 5-wave pattern to the upside. At the moment, we haven't even broken initial resistance, and the reaction to the support is in 3 waves, clearly in 3. Okay, so you see that on the 30-minute chart. This is only a 3-wave corrective rally, which however might lead to another test of resistance. I mean, it's always possible. This was an ABC in wave A. This here is an ABC in wave B, and then we're forming a mini 5-wave move up in wave C of 4. But this is overall a larger 3-wave move, and we haven't even broken resistance. So we need 5 waves above resistance, and not just 3-wave movements. Okay, so as long as it's a 3-wave move, the focus should be on lower prices, or at least we have to consider that the correction isn't complete yet. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.